Mercy Johnson first met her husband in 2008 aboard the flight from France. He revealed that he asked for her number but she declined. He, however, was persistent in his pursuit for her, so the rest became history. With a colorful reception held immediately after the church service, actress Mercy Johnson's wedding to his heartthrob Prince Okogie was one of the most talked about Nollywood weddings of all time. They got married at the Christ Embassy Church in Ikeja, while the reception took place at the 10-degree event center along Billing Way, Ikeja. In the bit of the preparation of Mercy Johnson's wedding, a woman named Loveline Okogie emerged out of the blue, and her story was that she was still married to Prince Okogie with 2 kids. According to the news making around that time, the embattled woman claimed that she was Prince Okogie's legal wife, that is, Mercy Johnson's husband, and she therefore called for the cancellation of the wedding. If her story was anything to go by, she had been married to Prince Okogie since 2006 in faraway Italy, and they are blessed with 2 lovely kids. She even provided picture evidence of her marriage to Prince Okogie and the picture of that of their kids. However, in a swift reaction to the allegation, Big Sam Media, the official publicist of Mercy Johnson, admitted that a relationship existed between Prince Okogie and Loveline Okogie, but it all ended 5 years before Prince Okogie met Mercy Johnson. While we were left to decide who is right or who is wrong, Mercy Johnson and her husband went on to do their wedding. Her wedding with her husband Prince Okogie took place in 2011. Many criticized Mercy Johnson and her husband for being in a hurry because Mercy Johnson gave birth to her first child right after getting married in 2012, and soon after she gave birth to 2 more. Now the couple is blessed with 2 lovely children. So today we are going to talk about Mercy Johnson's children and their short biography. But before then, if you are new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon to be notified anytime I drop new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Ejimozi, EJIMOZY. I'm always active on Instagram. Just follow me there. So let's get right into the video.
It's a boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi. The boy Ejimozi. It's a boy Ejimozi.
Purity Okogie. Purity was born in 2012. Purity, who is Mercy Johnson's first child, is 7 years old now. Mercy Johnson gave birth to Purity in the United States on 30th December 2012. She graduated from nursery school in 2018, and her parents, Mercy Johnson and Prince Okogie, celebrated her. It is always a thing of joy when one child graduates from school. It doesn't matter if the child was graduating from nursery school, every graduation is a milestone and deserves celebration. Today, the actress' first child is currently in primary 2. Henry Okogie. Henry Uzomo Okogie is the second child and the first son of the Okogie family. Mercy Johnson gave birth to her first son at St. Joseph Hospital, Hospital of Maryland, in the United States of America. He was born on October 15, 2014. He is currently 5 years old. Angel Okogie. Angel Okogie is the 3rd child of Mercy Johnson. Mercy Johnson delivered her 3rd child, a bouncing baby girl, in faraway Maryland of United States of America. The actress reportedly gave birth at 9 p.m. December 11th of 2015 at the University of Maryland St. Joseph, same hospital where she gave birth to her son. Divine Mercy Okogie. Divine Mercy Okogie is the last born of the house for now because according to Mercy Johnson, she is going to give birth to more children in the future. Mercy Johnson's husband Prince Okogie announced the arrival of their 4th child on Instagram in May 2020. The Nollywood actress was delivered of her baby at the University of Maryland St. Joseph Hospital in the United States. The actress' husband displayed the baby's picture with her name as Divine Mercy Okogie. Actually, there were controversies between the family of Mercy Johnson and musician Davido during the delivery of her baby. However, the strange thing about Davido's congratulatory message to Mercy Johnson was the fact that he tagged Mercy Johnson and her husband Wicked People. An Instagram user who saw Davido's comment asked Davido what Mercy Johnson and her husband did to him that made him to tag them Wicked People. Davido responded by saying that they did nothing to him, but however maintained that they are wicked set of people. There were also reports that Davido was sued by Mercy Johnson's husband Prince Okogie. According to the story, Davido was billed to perform at Mercy Johnson and her husband's luxury hotel known as Hainaud Hotel in the Abuleba area of Lagos. Immediately after the payment of his performance was made, Davido took to his Instagram page to announce that he would be present at the grand launch, but Davido failed to show up. According to reports, Davido was allegedly paid $3 million for the expected appearance at the launch, but the event ended with Davido not showing up. The singer failed to acknowledge Prince Okoje's demand for a refund, and all attempts to reach him and his manager failed. When Davido and his manager refused speaking calls, Prince Okoje had no option than to file a lawsuit against him. It was later gathered that Davido traveled abroad for another show a day before, but in Davido's defense, he said that he has been advised against going for the event in the fear of being mobbed by the public.
Say hi. Daddy! Say hi. Hi. Oh, I know. See this fine girl. Omioje. This is when you say, "Go say ne." Omioje was say ne Romeo. Omioje was say ne Romeo. You know what that means? Go was say ne. Omioje was say ne Romeo. Omioje was say ne Romeo. Eh? It means you are the finest in Romeo, the royal family.
I know.
Go get Amabi.
Come on, team. Angel, say hi.
Here.
Who knows you? Who knows you?
I'm Nigerian first boy. You
Who knows you?
Don't carry me play.
Who knows you? Nigeria. Yeah, look like Nigeria.
Eh, oh, Bono.
Yeah, look like Nigeria. Nigeria firstborn. Who knows you? This is my territory.
You know, like that. Give honor to whom honor is due. I give you honor, man.
I know if you talk camera, look myself.
No, but seriously, this is like a personal shout out to every single mom, wherever you are without help. You know, that is just when it's just you and the kids. You hear and you get hunchback for housework. You guys are doing great. You guys are my WCW. What I say, women crush. Ivan is going to run in the beach. Yes, sir. More than tó ṣàlẹ̀ lákìtàn. See if I get it. Ibi àánú báyé mi dé o. When you go see this pikin dey run for beach, na even you go trip. Àròjinlẹ̀ mi mọ̀rọ̀. Oh, Adeyinka Alaseyori shall be well with you. Ibi àánú báyé mi dé o. Okay, social distancing. I walked until like that saying hi. Going to the beach, baby.